to do something a little different for my channel. I'm going to be making a vlog and sharing what I realistically eat in a day. I'm going to call this a diary instead. I think that's more fitting for my channel. And yeah, I'm really excited. I love watching these kinds of videos, and I've always wanted to make one myself because I enjoy cooking and it's a big part of my home routine. I'll be walking you through all 3 meals of my day, but first, coffee. So for breakfast, we are having steel cut oats. We go through phases with oatmeal. We'll have it for a while, then get sick of it, and we recently just got back into it. So I like to look up the nutrition facts of whatever I'm eating, mainly so that I can learn about the food, but also it allows me to just check in with what I'm putting in my body. I've known that steel cut oats have more fiber, and so I just did a quick research to understand why, and it's because they are less processed than regular oatmeal. That's why it takes longer to cook steel cut oats, so whenever I am making some, I try to make enough that will last us a few days. It's so good. This is basically like porridge, and I really like to eat my foods more savory than sweet. Let me know below which is your preference. Like, would you rather have your oatmeal sweet or savory? Like, if you were to buy a croissant at a pastry shop, would it be something sweet like a chocolate croissant or like a ham and cheese croissant? So it's been a few hours and I'm feeling pretty hungry. It's noon right now. I'm gonna start prepping for lunch because that's gonna take me some time, and then by the time that's ready, I'll be ready to eat. I've been editing all morning, so I'm actually editing this video that you are watching right now, and this has been really interesting. I've never done this before where I will edit as I film. I like that I'm able to be in this mindset of this specific video and really be in the story as I'm telling it. I love making this because I can make a lot and then it will feed me for a whole week for lunch. It's healthy, crunchy, nutritious. We've got chickpeas. I usually use chicken, but I ended up using the one we had in our fridge for curry last night, so instead I soaked these overnight. I'm still new to cooking with chickpeas. I will show you guys what this looked like last night right before I soaked it overnight. It absorbed so much of the water and got bigger. So I'm gonna cook this. Oh, a quick fact about what I just learned about chickpeas. So they are a complete source of protein because they contain all 9 essential amino acids. just realized that I forgot to buy a lemon. Oh well. It's still gonna be good, but the lemon is what makes it like perfect. We've got our pasta salad. So as you can see, it's a lot. I'll usually make about this much, and this will feed me, Jason, and my brother. We live with my brother, Justin. It will feed us 3 for a few days for lunch. And it's so easy. It takes some time to make it, but once you make it, it's good for a few days. So I think it's a great meal prep idea. So I've got some kale here that we got from the farmer's market on Sunday. I'm gonna put that on my plate. Some mixed greens. And some of this. Put some pepper. Crushed red pepper. Oh. And this balsamic vinegar from Trader Joe's. Ta-da! It's still really good without the lemon. I think because the balsamic vinegar adds that sourness to it. I could eat this every day. Kale from the farmer's market is different. It looks kind of like spinach. Like, it looks a little different than the kale that you find at the grocery store. I have been editing all day, and it is time for a little pick-me-up. So recently I got a box of mangoes for $3.99 at H Mart. They were having a sale, and it was a lot of mangoes. So we started making mango slushies, and it is so good. It's so refreshing. I cut up the last few mangoes we have left 2 nights ago and froze them, so this is ready to go. Usually I'll have a snack like this at around 4 p.m. either because I just want something, or also a nice snack like about an hour before a workout. Usually I'll mix the mangoes with some ice, but because I froze this, I have a feeling that I can just add water to it. This is honey. Cheers! It's so refreshing. For dinner, we are having leftover curry. It's not looking so great right now, but it will when we heat it up. Jason is eating out with his friend tonight, so it's just me and my brother, and this is plenty for 2 people. This is the curry that I used, and I'll link the recipe that I followed down below. But this medium hot one was not hot enough for me, so I also added 2 Thai chilies to it, and it's so good. Tonight I'm gonna eat at my desk while I finish editing this video. I love how 2 Thai chilies added like a really good level of spice to this. I love spicy food. I could eat even spicier, but it was like borderline a little too spicy for Jason. I felt bad because I didn't think that 2 Thai chilies would do anything. So that is it for what I realistically eat in a day. I hope that this gave you some healthy, meal prep friendly ideas. And if you enjoyed this kind of video, please let me know below because I really enjoyed making it and editing as I went today. It was a really fun content focused day and I'd love to make more. If you guys would love more meal ideas, just let me know. If you made it this far, give me a little carrot emoji down below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up to also let me know that you liked it. If you'd like to see more home lifestyle and home decor related videos from me, then make sure to hit that subscribe button. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one.